Here at the JCB Academy, we are a school which specialises in business and engineering. We aim to change lives by developing business and engineering leaders of the future. There was a need to incorporate power tool training here at the JCB Academy. We had a look if we could incorporate power tool training to our curriculum. JCB had a partnership with Cast Tooling, who are now our partners as well. They put us onto Makita and Andy Farrell, which we're very grateful of.
Makita came on board pretty quickly, to be fair. They came in, we had a vision, it was just a vision. The training that tutors have received up in Wigan has been second to none.
The training we received at Makita has enhanced not only apprentices and students, but equally staff as well. I've now come back with the learning I've took from Makita, and not only again done training courses with the apprentices, but equally give advice and information to staff.
Yeah, so when their instructors come into one of our training centres, i.e. Wigan FFC, they then partake in a training course. At the end of that training course, their instructors then have to sit an exam with us, and they also have to do a demonstration of safely using power tools.
The relationship that we've got with the JCB Academy is so important because one, we supply power tools to a production line. We've done that for many years at many of their factories. And when we were asked to get involved with the apprentices, so that we could supply them with training, make sure they selected the correct tools, and also they could use those tools safely, was a great fit. The whole idea is to make the students comfortable with our tools and make sure that we support them and they're going to become the engineers of the future.
The partnership is going to benefit the apprentices in many ways, really.
They can now come in to do a process. They'll go through a 5 safety check, which we learned at Makita. 99% of the time, our employees use Makita equipment. So by using similar tooling, certainly Makita, they can get hands-on experience, which will be valuable for them.
In terms of Makita, I mean, I can't speak highly enough for what they've done. And I'm sure, this is the start of something really good and exciting for, first and foremost, the JCB Academy, but ultimately, JCB, they are getting a more rounded and an accomplished employee at the end of the day.